What if I told you that her initial lack of interest is actually your greatest advantage? Sounds crazy, right? We've been conditioned to believe that attraction is a lightning strike. It's either there or it's not. But that's a fundamental misunderstanding of female psychology. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into one of the most challenging and misunderstood dynamics in modern dating. How do you ignite desire in a woman who right now doesn't seem to see you in that way? Forget the manipulative tricks, the cheesy pickup lines, and the toxic advice that tells you to be someone you're not. That's not what we do here. This is about a profound, authentic shift in your energy, your mindset, and your behavior. A shift that doesn't just get her attention, but makes her crave it. If you are ready to stop chasing validation and start commanding respect and attraction, then do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Because the journey we're starting today will fundamentally change the way you interact with women forever. First, and most importantly, let's get one thing straight. You cannot force desire. It's not a switch you can flip in her brain. Desire is an echo. It's a response to the energy you project into the world. And right now, you might be projecting an energy of neediness without even realizing it. Most men have it all backward. They meet a woman they're attracted to, and she immediately becomes the sun in their solar system. Their happiness, their confidence, their entire sense of self-worth, it all starts revolving around her approval. They text her, hoping for a quick reply. They post a story, hoping she'll see it. Their emotional state is a roller coaster controlled by her validation. Women feel this neediness from a mile away. It's a silent pressure that screams, "I need you to like me so I can feel good about myself." It is the ultimate attraction killer. What you need to build is an unshakable frame. Imagine your life is a skyscraper. A man with a weak frame builds his skyscraper on the unstable ground of her approval. If she smiles, he feels like he's on top of the world. If she looks away or takes too long to text back, his entire building sways and threatens to collapse. A man with an unshakable frame builds his skyscraper on a bedrock foundation of his own purpose, goals, and self-respect. He is the architect of his own happiness. He invites her into his world to share the incredible view from the top, but his skyscraper stands tall and proud whether she decides to visit or not. This isn't about being cold, arrogant, or aloof. It's about being self-possessed. You are the source of your own emotional stability. In a world of anxious, approval-seeking men, a man who is his own emotional anchor is a magnetic force. She can relax around you because she knows you don't need anything from her. And paradoxically, when she feels you don't need her approval, it makes her want to earn it. Your action step. For the next 30 days, implement the purpose-driven hour. Every single day, dedicate one uninterrupted hour to something that is purely for you and your growth. This could be a grueling workout, disciplined practice on a musical instrument, building a new skill for your career, or developing a side hustle. Document your progress. This practice builds real, earned confidence that is completely independent of female validation. It is the concrete that strengthens your frame. Once your internal foundation is solid, your nonverbal communication will begin to change naturally. This is how you project that newfound strength. 1. Eye contact that truly connects. Forget the weird tricks like staring into her left eye. The key to powerful eye contact is a combination of warmth and unflinching presence. When you look at her, your goal isn't just to see her. It's to let her know that for this moment, she has your complete, undivided attention. You're not intimidated. You're not trying to get something. You are simply present. It's a calm, steady, and slightly smiling gaze that says, "I see you, and I am completely comfortable in my own skin." Practice this with everyone you interact with, the barista, the cashier, your colleagues. The more you normalize it, the more potent it becomes when you're with her. It is a silent signal of confidence that is incredibly rare and deeply attractive. 2. The invisible signature, your scent. Scent is the most primal of all senses, tied directly to the brain's centers for memory and emotion. You want a fragrance that whispers, not shouts. Something that makes her think of you when you're not even there. A scent that becomes your invisible signature. Don't just grab the most popular cologne at the department store. Find something that feels like an extension of you. Are you a fresh, clean, citrus and vetiver kind of man? Or a warm, mysterious tobacco and vanilla kind of man? A signature scent creates a powerful psychological anchor. When she catches a hint of it in a crowded room days later, her brain will fire off a little ping and you will instantly pop into her head. That's how you begin to live in her mind, rent-free. Quick pause, the speaker leans in slightly. Look, mastering this kind of nonverbal communication is a skill. If you're finding this valuable and want to go even deeper, make sure you're subscribed because in a future video we're going to break down body language frame by frame. You won't want to miss it. Most men plan dates. High-value men orchestrate experiences. Dinner and a movie. It's predictable. It's boring. It's a job interview where all the pressure is on the conversation. Attraction isn't built on logic, it's built on emotion. To change how she sees you, you must make her feel something new when she's with you. Think about activities that create a blend of emotions: excitement, laughter, curiosity, or even light, playful adrenaline. An escape room, a competitive game of bowling, a spontaneous road trip to a scenic overlook, a cooking class, or a live music show in a small, intimate venue. Psychologists call this powerful phenomenon misattribution of arousal. When she feels a spike of excitement or her heart races while she's with you, her brain can't easily distinguish the source of the arousal. It subconsciously begins to link that exhilarating feeling to you. She's not just having fun, she's having fun with you. This is the fastest way to shatter the friend zone or the guy she's not interested in category. You become the man associated with novelty, adventure, and positive, memorable emotions. And while you're on that date, the real test begins. Be kind to the waiter. Be polite to the staff. Hold the door for a stranger. A woman is always watching how you treat other people. It tells her everything she needs to know about your true character. A man who is calm, respectful, and in control of his environment is a man she can feel emotionally safe with. And emotional safety is the fertile soil in which deep, lasting attraction grows. This is the final crucial piece of the puzzle. It's where 99% of men drop the ball. They have a great date. They feel a connection and they immediately rush to solidify it. They force the kiss to seal the deal, or they send a needy, over-eager text the moment they get home. This is a massive mistake. Restraint is your superpower. Mystery is what builds magnetic attraction. At the end of a fantastic night, don't be predictable. If the moment is absolutely electric and the kiss happens naturally and mutually, great. But if there is even a shadow of a doubt, you must be the one to pull back first. End the night with a warm, confident hug. Look her directly in the eyes, smile genuinely, and say, "I had a really great time with you tonight." And then leave. Walk away with calm, confident shoulders and a clear mind. Let her be the one to replay the night in her head. Let her be the one wondering, why didn't he try to kiss me? I thought we had a connection. Let her be the one who questions what happens next. Do you want to be the man she thinks about when she's alone? The man whose intentions aren't completely obvious. That little bit of unresolved tension, that unanswered question, creates a cognitive loop in her mind. It creates a magnetic pull. It invites her to lean in, to get curious, to invest her own thoughts and emotions. It invites her to, perhaps, chase you a little. So let's bring it all together. This isn't a checklist of things to do. This is a new way of being. It starts with building your unshakable frame, your own deep foundation of purpose and self-worth that is completely independent of her. It's projected through your art of presence, your warm, confident eye contact, and your unique signature scent. It's amplified by orchestrating emotional experiences, making her feel alive and associating those incredible feelings with you. And it is all solidified with the masterstroke of restraint, leaving her with a sense of mystery that she will find herself wanting to solve. This isn't about playing games. This is the deep, authentic psychology of genuine attraction. You're not trying to convince her of your value. You are building your value from the inside out and simply showing up as the most confident, grounded, and intriguing version of yourself, and letting her discover you. If this video resonated with you and you're ready to put these powerful ideas into practice, show your support by hitting that like button and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next step in this journey. Drop a comment below and let me know which of these 4 pillars you're going to start building first. I read every single one. Until next time, stay confident and stay in control.